Hello, 6th graders. Welcome to Big Ideas Math, Contract Math, Section 2.5b, Algebraic Expressions Lesson. Pause while you write Section 2.5b, 2012 edition, lesson in your math notebook. Pause again while you write today's lesson objective in your math notebook. Today's objective is to simplify algebraic expressions. Today's lesson vocabulary is like terms and simplest form. Pause while you copy the highlighted vocabulary words, definitions, and examples exactly as they appear in your math notebook. Be sure you highlight the vocabulary words, like terms, and simplest form in your math notebook so they're easy for you to find. Now let's take a look at example 1, identifying terms and like terms. Identify the terms and like terms in each expression. Example 1a shows us the expression 9x minus 2 plus 7 minus x. So it shows us that 9x and negative x are like terms because they have the same variable raised to the same exponent. And negative 2 and 7 are like terms, and that's because they are constants. So just regular numbers in an algebraic expression are called constants. So let's take a look at example 1b, and we see that we have 6 plus 5z minus 3z plus z. So if we collect all of the things with z's in them, we see that we have like terms 5z minus 3z and z. So 6 is our only term that doesn't have something like it. It doesn't have another constant with it. Now we're going to move to example 2, where we simplify an algebraic expression. The algebraic expression we're given is 3/4 y plus 12 minus 1y minus 6. 3/4 y and negative 1y are like terms. 12 and negative 6 are also like terms. So we want to put those things together. So we use the commutative property of addition, and we move things around so that everything that's like is together. So then we use the distributive property to have y distributed over 3/4 minus 1/2. So we're multiplying y times 3/4 minus 1/2, and then we are going to add 12 and subtract 6. So when we do that distributing, we have 1/4 plus y, and then when we combine the constants down here, we have plus 6. Let's take a look at example 3, standardized test practice, and it asks which expression is equivalent to 5 times n minus 8 plus 4n. So first of all, we need to recognize that we're using the distributive property. So 5 gets multiplied by everything in the parentheses. So 5 times n minus 5 times 8. That's right here. And then we multiply, or then we add the 4 plus n. So we do that multiplication, and we get 5n minus 40 plus 4n. That's the second step here. We multiplied. And then we use our commutative property of addition and move our like terms so they're next door to each other. And we get 5n plus 4n. plus 40, and we use our distributive property again to take the 5 plus the 4 and put that together with the n, and then when we combine that, we get 9n, and we have 9n minus 40. So we add those coefficients. So the correct answer is C. Let's take a look at the real-life application. Each person in a group buys a ticket, a medium drink, and a large popcorn. Write the expression in simplest form that represents the amount of money the group spends at the movies. So it says the variable, the same number of each item is purchased. So X can represent the number of tickets, the number of medium drinks, and the number of large popcorns. So each ticket is $7.50. It tells us that over here. Each medium drink is $2.75, and each large popcorn is $4. So our expression is $7.50 X plus $2.75 X plus 4X. So we just don't know how many people there are. So once again, we use the distributive property. So we take the amount of money from each thing, so $7.50 plus $2.75 plus 4, and we put that in parentheses. We put X on the outside, and we add all of that up, and we get $14.25, and it's multiplied by X. So it turns out to be $14.25 X. So the expression 1425X represents the amount of money the group spends at the movie. Your assignment for this lesson is to complete the following practice problems. Show your work and be prepared to share during our next class. So your practice problems are written right here for you. No need to access the book. Remember, to earn credit for viewing this flipped lesson, you need to complete your exit slip, come to our next class prepared with the journal pages or other work from the flipped lesson completed, be prepared with any work that was assigned in the flipped lesson completed, and be prepared with any questions you have for your teacher, and of course, have a good attitude.